The streaming wars are over, but the hardware war is just beginning. For the last few years, the living room has been a battlefield of plastic sticks and sluggish interfaces. You've seen them all: the Fire Sticks that lag after 3 months, the built-in TV software that feels like it was designed in 2005, and the high-end enthusiasts clinging to their aging NVIDIA shields. But something has shifted. Apple has been quiet. Too quiet. Since 2022, the Apple TV 4K has sat virtually unchanged. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence has been broken. The rumors weren't just right. They were understated. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Apple isn't just releasing a new streaming box. They are releasing a console-grade, AI-powered hub that wants to be the brain of your entire home. We're talking about the transition from a luxury accessory to a required powerhouse. Today, we are breaking down the 2026 Apple TV 4K, the A17 Pro Leap, the 8K Horizon, and the Apple Intelligence integration that makes Siri finally act like the assistant we were promised a decade ago. If you think your current setup is good enough, you aren't prepared for what's coming. Let's get real about the hardware for a second. The current Apple TV 4K uses the A15 Bionic. In the world of streaming, that's still a Ferrari compared to the horse and buggy chips inside a Roku or a Chromecast. But Apple is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the competition. The 2026 model is confirmed to jump straight to the A17 Pro or potentially a variation of the M-series silicon. Why does a TV box need that much power? It's not just for loading Netflix faster. This is about AAA gaming and on-device AI. We are looking at a device that can natively run ray tracing. Think about that. The same lighting technology used in the PS5 and Xbox Series X is coming to a silent, fanless box that sits under your television. Apple isn't just competing with Google and Amazon anymore. They are coming for Sony and Microsoft. With the integration of the Apple Pencil for creative whiteboarding on the big screen and the seamless connection to Pro controllers, the Apple TV 4K is shedding its image as a movie player and becoming a living room computer. But power is nothing without a display to match. 8K has been a buzzword for years with very little substance. Most of us are still perfectly happy with 4K HDR. But Apple is a company that builds for the next 5 years, not just today. The HDMI 2.1 implementation on the 2026 model isn't just a spec bump, it's a bandwidth revolution. We're looking at support for QMS, quick media switching, which finally ends that annoying black screen you see when your TV changes frame rates. More importantly, we're seeing whispers of spatial video playback directly from your iPhone 17 or Vision Pro. This is the ecosystem play. You record a 3D memory of your kid's birthday on your phone, and you walk into your living room and play it back on your 85-inch OLED with a depth and clarity that makes it feel like you're standing back in that room. This isn't just watching TV. This is experiencing media. And then there is the elephant in the room: Siri. Let's be honest, Siri has been the dumbest part of the smart home for a long time. But with the 2026 update and the rollout of Apple Intelligence, the Apple TV is becoming a contextual genius. This new model features an upgraded neural engine designed specifically for LLM, large language models. You won't just ask, "Siri, find me an